Hi, I'm Sandra, and today I'm sharing how to play the C chord on the ukulele and a song called If I Had a Chicken.
Sing, play, create.
Playing the ukulele is so much fun. Today I'm going to teach you how to play one chord, the C chord. So if you have a ukulele, you know that there are frets on the ukulele right here, and we also have our fingers, 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to take my third finger and I'm going to put it on the third fret of the A string, just like that. Then when I strum all the strings, I have the C chord. Okay, let's learn the song. I'm going to sing one line and I'd like you to copy it back to me. Are you ready? If I had a chicken, and I would go over to Hawaii, where it doesn't snow. Then my chicken could play all day, and all the people would stop and say, Great job, you got it? Okay, let's sing it together. Are you ready? C chord, third finger. We're just going to play the steady beat this time. If I had a chicken, then I would go over to Hawaii where it doesn't snow. Then my chicken could play all day, and all the people would stop and say, tee-tee-tee-tee-ta, tee-tee-tee-tee-ta, tee-tee-tee-tee-tee-tee-tee-tee-tee-ta, tee-tee-tee-tee-ta, tee-tee-tee-tee-ta, tee-tee-tee-tee-tee-tee-tee-tee-ta. The next verse is If I Had an Elephant, and we're going to use the words boom ba boom ba boom when we get to the chorus. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. If I had an elephant, I would go over to Hawaii where it doesn't snow. Then my elephant could play all day, and all the people would stop and say, boom ba boom ba boom, boom ba boom ba boom, boom ba boom ba boom ba boom ba boom ba boom ba boom, boom ba boom ba boom, boom ba boom ba boom, boom ba boom ba boom ba boom ba boom ba boom ba boom. Verse 3 is about a monkey. The monkey's going to say, ee-ee-ee-ee-oo. Are you ready to sing about the monkey? Let's do it. If I had a monkey, then I would go over to Hawaii where it doesn't snow. Then my monkey could play all day, and all the people would stop and say, ee-ee-ee-ee-oo, ee-ee-ee-ee-oo, ee-ee-ee-ee-ee-ee-ee-oo, ee-ee-ee-ee-oo, ee-ee-ee-ee-oo. That was great. I had such a fun time singing and playing the ukulele with you today. Thanks for watching this video. If you'd like a copy of the music, you'll find the link in the description below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the Sing, Play, Create channel.